England is one of Great Britain country. Its capital is London. The currency is pound sterling. England is devolution state constituents, part of a constitutional monarchy. Famous place in England is Clock Tower, which is located inside Westminster Palace. Big Ben, who has other name Elizabeth Tower. Big Ben is the name of giant bell weighing 13 tons. It is located in the end of Westminster Bridge, near Parliament Square. Its location is near with London Eye or Millennium Wheel. Height of London Eye, 135 meters, is the biggest Ferris wheel in the world. Buckingham Palace is official residence of Queen of England, used as place for official events, welcoming guests and tourism sport. Hampton Court Palace is former palace of King Henry VIII, which has 60 gardens and famous for its labyrinth. Kensington Palace, which built since 17th century, has beautiful gardens named Kensington Garden, also Sunken Garden. Therefore, perfect place for vacation. One of famous royal family is Princess Diana, who lived in this palace since married with Prince Charles. Not far away from Kensington Palace, there is Royal Albert Hall, which is place for theater and concert. Every year, in Royal Albert Hall is held 350 shows including classic, rock and pop concert, ballet and opera, tennis, award show, community and school event, charity and party event. In London, there are Tate Britain and Tate Modern Museum. Tate Modern keep contemporary collection post 19th century, while Tate Britain have national art collection post 15th century. Victoria and Albert Museum, which has established since 1852, have 145 galleries, which have ceramic, textile, costume, silver, jewelry, furniture, statue, and photography collections. British Museum have 8 million artifact collections, largest artifact collections established since 1753. There is also Natural History Museum as education tourism spot. Covent Garden, which is shopping tourism spot, offer various branded things like clothing, bag, shoes, jewelry, perfume, etc. There are also many restaurants and cafeterias for middle-high class people. Piccadilly Circus is also a shopping tourism spot in London. Charles and Diana is one of famous couple. Both married on 29 July 1981 in St. Paul Church. Their wedding is broadcasted by television and watched by 100 million people all over the world. One of the property is residence of William's family. Shape and area of this family's house is similar with their neighbor, because houses in this complex is sold after built by property developer. Inside the house there is a room. That room size is quite large. Many frames are hanged on the wall and on the table showing family photograph. That family member are father, mother, and a daughter. The child photograph start from childhood is displayed by her parents. Little girl sleep. His father plays violin for her. Her father plays Mozart song, which is famous for stimulate child intelligence. He swipes his violin before reading bedtime story for his child. The purpose is so that his daughter can sleep tight. Her mother kisses her forehead before she sleeps. She will tuck up her child so that she doesn't get cold. After that, her parents go to their chamber then sleep. Her father is a violinist and her mother is a singer. Since childhood, She often listens to music in her house, therefore she likes music a lot. She aspires to be a professional musician like her father. In England, there is oldest music school which is established since 1822 called Royal Academy of Music. Its founder names are John Fane and Nicholas Charles Boxa. It is situated on Marylebone Street. In that school, many children practice to play instruments. Some professional music teachers teach them about music from basic. Start from read partiture, then how to play that instrument. Kalia enrolls herself to enter that school. She enters that school after graduated from high school. Even though since childhood she has known about instruments, but she still wants to obtain academic music diploma. She learns how to become a professional violinist. She even saved money for buying expensive violin to practice. Her boyfriend also plays violin skillfully. They meet at the school. Her boyfriend is her senior in the school. They both often practice together. Both of them support each other. They want to hold a concert together one day. When dating, their favorite place is Covent Garden. They will go to an opera theater and center of the performing arts called Royal Opera House. This building capacity can reach 2,268 people. On that place gathered many people to watch various kinds of shows. The screen show will be opened. Sign that show is started. Then dancers, musicians, singers, actors, or actresses will show their performance. The audiences will clap their hands after watching concert or opera or other show. They are entertained by the show that they watch. After it, they will back home joyfully. Before the show is over, actors and actresses who perform will say farewell before the screen show is closed. Then they will prepare to perform another show. Repeated practices will make their performance on stage perfect. At night, this couple go home and visits Harry's house. Harry's house is located in London suburb. Before entering the house, there is spacious garden. In the garden, even there is a horse-drawn carriage. Harry's house is spacious due to his family wealth. His family has many properties. His house is magnificent and nuanced brownish. The floors is coated by wood. Many rooms and halls inside the house. The floors is adorned with import red carpet which comes from Herke factory in Turkey. Inside the house there are many beautiful painting collections. Most of the paintings are wonderful European scenery. There are paintings of buildings such as castle and fort. There are paintings of scenery such as mountain, sea, lake, etc. On that day, they watch opera La Traviata, which means a woman who takes wrong path. Its other name is Princess of Camellia. A month before the exhibition started, this opera already promoted. They saw its poster on the theater's wall. The opera is initiated by Giuseppe Verdi. First exhibition is held on 6 March 1853 in La Venice Opera House in Venice. A handsome conductor leads the show. Conductor's duty are conduct the musicians play opera songs. Musicians who are involved, for example, pianists, violinists, cellists, saxophonists, and trumpet player. The conductor conducts musicians to play instruments along with melodious voice of opera singer. He stands up straight wearing his suit and pants. He looks dashing in his age, with over 30 years old. The power of opera singer voice is amazing. All the audiences inside theater can listen the powerful voice. Opera singer also can sing high-pitched song. The opera singer also look enchanting with red gown, beautiful makeup, and hairdo. Attractive physical appearance certainly is a condition for every singer. The singers sometimes hire personal makeup artists and hairstylists. After performing, they stand on stage to express gratitude toward audiences. Sometimes they will perform more songs if the audience want it. A astonishing show will get applause and encore. Said opera, in that theater, there is ballet show. Children diligently practice ballet dance. Initially, ballet dance is combination of some popular dance which created by Italian ballet dance teacher. Until 15th century, every time Italian ballets hold ceremony, ballet dance always showed in large scale. When they reach adulthood, they can perform as ballet dancer wearing ballet costume, ballet flats, and beautiful crown. Ballet costume consists of sleeveless spaghetti strap top with tutu skirt. Dancer also wear stocking and special shoes which make them easier to tiptoe and jump. Female dancer who perform as swan princess can wear the crown. Meanwhile, male dancers wear long sleeve top and long tight pants. On the stage, they can show intricate dance technique. Classic ballet dance need disciplined practice. Ballet dancers should work hard to learn ballet dance technique. Not only children, even the adult also practicing couple ballet dance. They can perform swan lecture as Swan Princess Odette and Prince Siegfried. Most skillful dancers will be chosen to dance on stage. This show will tell a story about Princess Odette, who is cursed as swan, then meet Prince Siegfried by the lake at night. Prince Siegfried falls in love with her and invites her to party at the palace. However, von Rothbart, who cursed Odette, comes with his daughter Odile. He casts a spell toward Odile so that she looks like Odette. Prince Siegfried asks Odile to dance. He confesses his love and vows to marry her. Odette, looking at that event, comes back to Swan Lake with sorrow. Prince Siegfried realizes his mistake, gets up, then apologizes toward Odette. They agree to die together with throw themselves in the lake, because Odette's curse will still make her die. After that, von Rothbart's spell is broken. His power is destroyed. Soul of both of them ascended to the sky, unite in life after death. Both dancers can wear ballet costume and dance as couple to entertain audiences. Famous ballet dancers even can perform abroad. They will enter national or international competition. If doesn't like ballet show, sometimes there is solo or couple modern dance show. Famous modern dance in Europe is initiated by Isadora Duncan. When she was 19 years old, she went to Europe with her family. In London, their first destination, this modern dance is loved. Girls practice modern dance together so that they can become famous dancers like Isadora Duncan. They wear dance costumes, wear long gown without footwear like ancient Greek fashion. The reason is Isabella and her family adore Greek culture and art. Even their dances is come from classic Greek tragedy. Professional dancers will get many offers to dance. They are chosen based on appearance, dance skill, and ability to express on the stage. Audience like girl who has ideal body, graceful, and can showing facial expression as the dance she perform. When perform happy dance, the dancer can show happy face. When perform sad dance, the dancer can show sad face. They can be called to dance in party by high-class people. For example, on a wedding, the dancer will be hired to entertain the guests. This job certainly can make them earn more income. They also can perform solo in theater along with piano performance by pianists. Pianists will play piano, meanwhile the dancers show choreography of various kinds of dance to entertain audience. Audience also can watch pianist concert. Songs which are performed mostly songs from Mozart. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart is a famous musician from Austria. He popularized classical music since end of 17th century. They buy show ticket to listen classical songs performed on the piano. Audience will sit on their own seats according with their ticket. As closer their seats are to the stage, then the ticket's price purchase is more expensive. Long time ago, famous pianists often invited to the palace with a group of orchestra. King, queen, and noblemen loved music. Pianist in the aftermath after Mozart, which is Beethoven, is free to compose songs based on his heart. Each of his art has its own style, which moves people's heart, feeling touched and patient. His famous piano song is Moonlight Sonata. Johann Sebastian Bach, predecessor of Mozart and Beethoven, have become conductor of church choir who take care of instruments. Vocal practice for solo on Mass every Sunday, become choir conductor and instrument player, and preparing music for wedding or death mass at church. Not only pianists, violinists, cellists, and trumpet player also play instruments for choir at church. Bach is famous German musician. His music technique very beautiful and rich of feeling. Bach as choir leader almost every week composed choir song. Before he also created many piano and melodious church songs. Musicians will practice together with a conductor or choir leader. Osborne admires Leonardo da Vinci who can play harp. Leonardo can play harp skillfully. He is multi-talented person. However, his talent in music not as famous as his other talent. His famous painting is Mona Lisa, which he painted since 1503. Another painting, for example, is The Last Supper. Even though famous for his painting, Leonardo da Vinci has many talents. Besides known as an artist, he is also an inventor, architect, and art critic, and in his sketches, there are many pictures of aeroplane designs. He also draws sketches of ship body. He also has clock design which is unique and has his own style. Also draw many architecture sketches. In his town design, written about water tunnel, road widening, airflow, and light according to nowadays city design. Kalia and Osborne want to perform in theater and become famous like these figures, whose name is written in history.